My name is Emily Dodwell, and I'm a pediatric orthopedic surgeon here at the Hospital for Special Surgery. Seeing children as opposed to seeing adults is obviously quite different. A lot of the times, especially when you're dealing with younger children or children that have a disability, they can't always tell you exactly what's wrong, so there's a bit of extra detective work that the surgeon and other physicians and healthcare providers have to do to get the right answers to figure out exactly what the problem is so that we can treat it appropriately. The first thing that I would do when I come to see a patient is first talk to the patient and their parents and find out a bit about what's brought them into the office and what their concerns are, then go on to examine the child. So that sometimes entails a full physical exam, and sometimes it just means having a very close look at one of the elbows or one of the arms. I'm very interested in making sure that both the patient and the families completely understand what the problem or the injury is, and they understand the treatment regimen and what the expectations would be from the treatment and from the injury or whatever the problem is. The Hospital for Special Surgery is a really unique place, both for orthopedic surgery in general and specifically for pediatric orthopedic surgery. We've developed a whole floor that's kind of a hospital within a hospital that's just for the children. So there's a special area for children to be seen in the office, and a special area for children to have their x-rays done, and a special area for them to stay overnight if they're having surgery. So I think it's a really great place for children to come if they have a bone, muscle, or joint problem. And we have a great team of surgeons, orthopedic surgeons, that specifically work with just children. I love helping children and getting them back to their regular daily activities, getting children back to running around and playing on their sports teams. It's definitely a satisfying feeling.